Hello everybody and welcome to part 2 of Video Maker Challenge. Today we're going to play on a brand new map called Landfall from the Tough Break update. We just got snow scoop. Okay, so I'm back and I'm not going to stop this time. Okay, there's that guy over there. I better not get no scope. Are you kidding me? It's a sentry. Okay, I gotta kill that guy. No matter what. Never mind. There's a sentry over there. This map is cool. Okay, so yeah. Kill you? Yes, first kill, yeah. Just kill. Are you kidding me? There's a sentry over there. Oh my gosh. There are a lot of sentries in this map, like, seriously. This map needs to get nerfed. Okay, so my sentry kill doesn't count at all. And he's the Video Maker. I'm just defending the base. But okay. I'm new to this map, okay? Remember, this is the second time I played this map. I need to destroy the sentries. How to do this? There's the hardest thing. How do they do this? How do they do this? And I'm just gonna go rush in. Okay, there's a sentry there and you're dead. Well, I changed the map because there was too much sentries. So yeah. Hopefully there's no sentry over there. But kill people. Yeah. Finish lagging myself. Oh no. Ah no, I suck this. Why did I rush in? No, Flog Pyro. So okay. Okay, if you're hearing anything in the background, that's my sister and brother. Yeah. So hopefully this is a better mic for you guys. Oh no, can't aim. Okay, there I go. Okay, can't aim now. Yes, I got one. It's the same as sniper. Get out. Stupid Flog Pyros. Okay, I'm gonna kill people. Knock the boss. And kill people. Are you kidding me? I just got backstabbed. Oh my gosh. I just got backstabbed again. It's spies. Everywhere, even Flog Pyro. Look at that thing. Oh shit! I suck at this game. I suck at this game, confirmed. Okay, so we got to be careful this time. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously kidding. Okay, I'm back and I apparently got killed by a demo man. So, okay, I'm teleporting to the boss. Okay, that's a bad idea to go there. That's a bad idea. There's too much people there. Gosh, I hate the Flog Pyros. So, sorry for the weird background noises. Are you kidding me? Oh God, it's going. Okay, so we got. Never mind. That was a random part. What's up? Demo man! Are you kidding me? I suck at this so much. How does every time, dude? Every freaking time I die. Every time I try to rush in. I die. Oh my god. Okay, gotta kill you. Yee! I didn't kill him. Are you kidding? Okay, I got 3 kills apparently. Good. Okay, so what the? I have no idea what's going on anymore. Okay, there's a spy. No, it's not a spy. So, it's a spy. Why do I suck at aiming? Why am I laggy? Got a boat. What? How? What? What? How did I not hit him? Okay, so I just hit them. I don't know he's dead. There's someone over there. Why am I laggy? Like, seriously, it's something wrong with my computer. You someone's dead! Oh, laggy. If only I wasn't laggy at all. Okay, so guys. Okay, I didn't record that spy over there. Okay, that's random. Okay, so I can kill people. Okay, we're gonna go under the tunnel. I think this is why my aim sucks, because if I do much CSGO, all I do is just hold that button so kill someone. I don't know. I wasn't laggy and I was good at aiming. I would kill that pyro right now. Like, seriously. Why? Okay, so I just realized that we are winning. Thought I was lazy. I died actually. William, I only got like 3 kills today. I got worse than last time. Only 7 kills. Okay, so I gotta get more than 3 kills. So I get 30 kills. So 3 math. Yeah. Let's see that sentry over there. Okay. No, I'm gonna pick that up. Are you kidding me? That was the weirdest voice I ever made. Okay, there's a demo. Okay. Why can't I kill people? Well, not in real life. Okay, I keep forgetting there's a sentry over there. I'm just not focused enough. Cause if not, I'm really stupid. Okay, I can do this. Brand new headphones, mic, and lag. I can clearly do this. Okay, Are you? Okay, disappeared. And disappeared. Okay, so we can try to avoid that sentry. Oh my gosh, what is sentry over there? I can't do this. Pyro, die! Oh no, someone over there. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! I am dead. I'm so good at this game. Okay, this time let's focus. Okay, apparently that's a bad guy. I'm gonna kill you. Come here. Yes! Finally got 4 kills. Oh, the first day. Oh, what the? I'm sorry, sir. Alright. I am gonna go and be a boss. Okay, let's just not rush in like an idiot. Okay, get that health back. I'm dead. I'm dead. Yes, I'm dead. I'm dead. And I'm the worst Widowmaker engineer in the whole world. Confirm. Okay, I just got shot by a rocket. And I recorded. I'm still learning. I don't even know anymore. Just camping. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go switch to the other. I can't. I just can't. Only I can switch to the other team. It'd be much easier. Okay, I quit. I quit. Oh, I didn't actually quit, but I killed someone. Yay! 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 I can do this. Okay. I mean, or just me. Kill that pyro. Yes, I suck at this game. I'm so good. No, we are losing. Okay, I'm dead. Yes, I'm dead. I am the worst. Yay! I did it. Please, good job, guys. I can just go to blue. Kill people easy. Just too much flog pyros. Pluginator. I can't even pronounce that. Why? Okay. Also, I forgot to tell you guys that I have colored my hair. Yay! I got paint free and apparently a little bit richer. Yay! Hate pyros. I just hate pyros. I just hate them. They just ruin the fun sometimes. And all the times it is so hard to kill. Valve apparently made the pyro more powerful with the fog. Yes, I killed him. Yes, 4 kills or 5 kills. Yeah, 5 kills. Nah, I'm dead. Damn it. I got 5 kills like a boss. I don't even know how long I'm recording right now. Seriously, I don't know. I don't even know how to check it. Okay. We are apparently trapped. Yep, I'm just gonna vote to scramble teams. Because this is totally unbalanced. Yes! Yes! I'm dead. Yes, I'm dead. At least I got 6 kills and vote failed. I can pause. I'm gonna kill that nemesis. Okay, never see my nemesis. I killed him instantly at the boss. Even if it is a friendly server and he's my nemesis, I'm gonna kill him. He's like a tryhard or something, and it became friendly. He's my nemesis. I'm gonna kill it, no matter what. It's my nemesis. I don't know. Well, it's not actually my nemesis, it's sensitive. I'm gonna save you. Damn, health packs. Everywhere. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. At least I'm getting better this game. I got like 7 kills. Like last time, but better. I don't even know if you guys can hear anything in the background. Like background noise. Like a song playing or something. I can't. I just can't. Like adjust the mic. Like, yeah. What? Okay, that's weird. I'm gonna say it for me. Look really weird. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and dead. And then they captured it. Wait, just in time, killed myself. Oh, I was too excited. Oh my gosh, I'm so laggy. I'm really sorry for the background noise. I'm apologizing too much on videos. Yeah, I lost. Okay, that was weird. Everything just got black for some reason. Okay, what is happening? Help me. The darkness is coming. Coming. Yeah. I gotta kill people. Okay, let's just not rush in this time. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, teamwork. Yes, teamwork. Yeah, okay. Woo! Oh yeah, I got 9 kills and I'm dead. I don't really know if it's 9 kills. I'm lagging a lot for some reason. My computer's been laggy and it's weird. For some reason. Probably because this computer is like really old in the spot. But, can't get in here. Okay, where's the spy? Is it gone? Gone and yeah. Sentries. Okay. Why? Please get me 1 kill. Ah, yeah. Okay. Why I keep making this weird like Okay, so I got 9 kills. Okay, I really like that. I got 9 kills. Gotta get more of that. 9 plus 7, I have no idea. I'm too busy playing. Oh no, I'm dead. 9 kills, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 kills. Yes, suck it, man. Not really. I'm gonna kill you. Just mini crit. Yes, killed him. 10 kills. I got 17 kills. Okay, that's a spy. Right? Yes, that's a spy. Oh, you kidding me. Stop chick stabbing me. Probably the spy earlier. You dead ring or something. Every time I try to do an accent, my mouth gets dry. For some reason. Hopefully I'm doing a good job commentary. Spy. Oh my gosh. Okay, he's gone. And now that. Okay, never mind, that was a spy. Okay. Did not see that one coming. Yes, we won. Yay! 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 We win! Yes! And I am still at the bottom, not at the very bottom, at the bottom of the scoreboard. Oh my god. Spy! I didn't kill him, but still. Okay. Just boost cherries for me. Ammo. Help. Ammo. Okay, I'm trying to find enemies. Where are they? Let me kill the soldier. Hopefully I get the kill. Yes, I get it. I got him. I got 18 kills now. 18. 18. Red pain. Okay, how did I not shot him? Hit him, not shot him. Okay, where are they? Okay, are you spy murder, not spy? Where are they? Are they all spies or something? What? Okay, I'm lagging. Okay, there's a bit of lag there. The spy. He decloaked just in time and he's gone. Got him. 19 kills for a win. Spy! Where are you? He's over here? No, he's not over here. Where is he? Where is he? I hate when that happens. So today we are winning and we're spawn camping and I can't kill anybody. Yay. Okay, I ran out of ammo because I can't hit anyone with this. I need ammo, fast. There's a random bird there. Killed him. 19 kills. 19 kills, confirmed. So there's a lot of spies.
Go, go, go.
There's a spy.
Mission ends in 30 seconds.
Ah, hit me. Oh no. Never mind.
Mission ends in 10 seconds. From that 5, 4, 3, 2,
We are basically winning, but taking over time, and yes. Okay, so we can do these. Okay, let's go. It's mine. I mean, he's mine, not mine. Oh, you get. Hey, don't come on, that was mine. 30 century. A fellow engineer. Yeah. Woo! Yay! Good job, team. Why is that guy trying to kill me? He's new to the game. He's new to the game. He's trying to kill me.
mission begins in 10
He doesn't even know how to taunt. This is like a bot in TF2. Except way more smarter. Smart, I mean dumb. Yeah. Oh no, I'm dead, okay. I'm dead, yep, I'm dead. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like or subscribe and bye.